Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable swipe to change tab on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on configuration and you just click on it here. You come to next step here, then all you have to do, so then you just go down here, you come here to swipe, just click on it here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here to change tab, so then you click here on yes, then it's going to change with you here to tap on your money manager. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.